Hey, I thought I would get on just for a couple of minutes to share with you what is selling for me really well right now. I'm going to say it's my BOLO. However, it's not selling for a great price, but it all depends on what you get, what style, what sizes, and I'm going to let you know what that is right now. But first, I want you to take a guess and put it in the comments. And I'm going to wait. In the meanwhile, I'll tell you who I am. My name is Marion, and I am the Smiley Thrifter. I am a reseller on Poshmark mostly, and I also love the thrill of thrifting. I go to thrift stores, consignment shops. Once in a while, I'll do retail arbitrage. That is, if you don't know, going to a store like TJ Maxx or Marshall's and getting good brand names cheaper. Once that starts happening, though, the brand names go down. But you can do it online. You can do it anywhere you want. You can purchase things online. You can sell things online. That's what I do. I'm an online reseller, and I love it. So let's just get started. What do you think it is that has been selling in the last couple of months? I'm shocked because this had stopped selling for a while. Heels, pumps are selling within 2 weeks of listing them. Beautiful. I miss my pumps. Now, don't get me wrong. They are not selling for high prices. It just all depends on the pump. You can get anywhere from $10 to $100, well, more and more, really depending. But they are a BOLO right now. If you can get them for $1, I got both of these at $1 sale. So if you can get them for $1, it's worth selling them for 10, 12 and up. But if you're someone like I am who does go for higher profit, then you may not be thrilled with that, but I am. If I can sell something in a week, 2 weeks, it's been exactly 2 weeks exactly. It's been since I put those online, and they both sold. Now, they're size 9.5 and size 11. So they are bigger sizes, which normally I sell these in like 6 or 7 when they used to be a part of the buying. But people have not bought heels from me in like 3 or 4 years. And now they're back. So I'm going to start looking for more. So I suggest if you see heels either in the bins or wherever for $1, pick them up. If they're a really good name brand, spend a little more, but check comps first. This was mix number 6 and 9 West. Size 9.5, size 11. So just filling you in, thought you might be interested. Love heels. I'm going to put more on now. I had taken some off, but I still have them. I'm going to put them right back in my online store on Poshmark. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, just to help you out a little bit, when I figure out things myself, help share through my experience, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and you ready? Ring that bell if you want to get more content like this, because it definitely helps. It's free and it helps to get my video out to more people. I'm not sure how that works, but I know it works. So thank you so much. I appreciate you. See you soon.